Itachi is here.
Sasuke. You chose to come rather than flee. I applaud you for that.
Itachi, I've come to settle our score. To end this once and for all.
Very well. Then come inside. There I will give you your ending.
I'm finally here. Now I just have to defeat him. And it's all over. Do you really think you can win?
Mission start.
Itachi is inside here. This seal is... This is a barrier passed down in our clan. Which means I'll have to destroy it first.
I'm gonna rip you to pieces! Before my gun!
Itachi is right in front of me.
I'm gonna rip you to pieces! Before my gun!
Okay now. Come out, Itachi!
I'm gonna rip you to pieces! Before my gun!
Itachi is right in front of me. To think he'd spring something like this on me. But still, they can't stop me. Nobody can.
Before my gun! I'm gonna rip you to pieces! I'm gonna rip you to pieces! I'm gonna rip you to pieces! Before my gun!
Okay now. Come out, Itachi!
And that! Fire shot! Fireball jutsu!
Itachi is right in front of me.
Take this! I'm gonna rip you to pieces! Before my gun!
Okay now. Come out, Itachi! Itachi is right in front of me.
Rip you to pieces!
Okay now. Come out, Itachi!
Take this and that!
stronger.
Itachi is right in front of me. Okay now. Come out, Itachi! Itachi, here and now I will sever all bonds I ever had with you. I can already see you dead on the ground.
See me dead? That's some confidence.
But first, there's something I have to ask you.
Now you want to ask questions?
That night, when you destroyed the Uchiha clan, were you really acting alone?
What makes you ask that?
You were strong, but even you couldn't have taken on the entire clan.
That fact didn't escape you.
Then who? Who was it that helped you?
One of the founders of the Hidden Leaf Village, Madara Uchiha.
Founders? He would have been dead by then.
That Madara must have been dead is just an arbitrary assumption on your part. Just like how you used to think I was your kind and gentle brother. I see you haven't just idled these last 3 years away.
Those memories are all just phantoms to me. My only reality is revenge!
But you can't possibly win if you can't resist my Mangekyo Sharingan. Well done. But you still don't compare to me.
Genjutsu. Great power comes at a great price. Itachi, are you sure your eyes are still up to it?
I didn't think you would notice that. But it's true. The Mangekyo eventually loses its light.
Blindness. That's the price you pay.
However, there is one man who avoided paying that price. And that was Madara Uchiha.
Madara Uchiha.
Let me start from the beginning with some old tales, such as the history of the Uchiha. Madara once had a sibling as well. A younger brother, in fact. Sasuke. You've gotten stronger. Constant rivals, they both eventually acquired the Mangekyo Sharingan. But the Mangekyo leads only to total darkness. Madara, on first learning of this, did everything he could, but nothing had any effect. Finally, in the depths of his despair, Madara stole both his brother's eyes. And the new light that Madara received not only never faded, but also granted him new visual jutsu, the eternal Mangekyo Sharingan. This is a power of which I am worthy. With it, I will surpass Madara and attain an even higher state than him. And this is my chance to finally get that power.
For my son. So it's all about gaining more power for yourself.
Sasuke, you will aid me in my ascent. For me. For my power.
I'm gonna rip you to pieces!
This is the difference between your power and mine. The power of our eyes.
Itachi, now I will settle the score!
The weakest dog barks the loudest.
I didn't come all this way to get beaten by a... Itachi, now I will settle the score!
You're here.
Fire style! Fireball jutsu! This will all be over soon.
The chain of hatred is the fate of the Uchiha.
It was foolish of you to let me catch my breath.
Fire style!
Is that it? Is that the extent of your power?
It's over, Itachi!
Amaterasu! There's nowhere to run, Sasuke.
This will probably be my last jutsu. Kidding? Be gone with the thunderclap. It's over. It's over!
Is this the death you had imagined for me? If I didn't have this, indeed I would be dead.
What is it?
It's time I showed you my final trump card. The Susanoo.